In 60 seconds, 2 ways to fix Apple Bluetooth issues. On Mac, press Option and Shift, click the Bluetooth icon. Choose Reset the Bluetooth module. Confirm, then restart Bluetooth and reconnect devices. On iPhone, open Settings, go to General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. This clears Bluetooth pairings. After resetting network settings, reopen Bluetooth and pair devices again. If problems persist, consider factory resetting connected devices. It erases data, so back up first. To factory reset an iPhone, Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Erase all content and settings. Follow on-screen prompts, enter your passcode, and confirm erase. For Mac, Apple Menu, System Settings. Erase all content and settings. Follow prompts. Factory reset will remove all data and unlink iCloud. Make a backup first. After resets, set up devices and pair Bluetooth devices fresh. That's it. Reset the module first and use factory reset only as a last resort. Visit Apple support for help.